It's your girl KD, and I'm back with another beauty DIY video. This video I am going to be doing my low bun on my short or awkward length hair. I am at the stage to where I am absolutely in love with my hair. I haven't had a perm since 2010, but I've been doing like wigs and hair extensions. I just haven't been wearing my hair, and now I'm at to the point to where it's 2021, it's Black History Month, and like I said, I'm falling in love with my hair, so I want to wear it more. So now I'm at the point to where it needs to be protected, it needs to be styled. So I'm trying to get to the point where I'm wearing only my hair for the entire year. If I do add hair to my hair, it's going to be for like extensions, for like braids, maybe a ponytail if I want to get real cute with it. But I am trying to stay away from wigs completely, because now I put on wigs and I don't even feel like myself anymore. It's just like I feel like I look so much cuter in my natural beauty. So we're trying to rock out with it all year. I started out with wet hair from the shower. I did not feel like having to get a spray bottle and trying to wet my hair down, so I just washed it in the shower, and then I also combed it down so that it'll be easier to put into a low bun. And for my part, I'm using a parting comb. I wish I had a rat tail comb to make my lines that much more precise and crisp, but I am using a parting comb to do a zigzag part. I'm not gonna do a straight middle part like I typically would do, because I don't want my hair to thin out from, it being in a part like that. And then since it is short or at this awkward length, it's kind of hard for me to get a good side part without little flyaways and such. So yeah, I'm just gonna try a zigzag part and see how I like it. And I promise my hair is detangled. It's just giving me a hard time because it's thick as ever, but it's detangled, I promise. If you can guess what tune I'm vibing out to, just know that you're a real one for real. But I'm moving on to adding my leave-in conditioner, because like I said, this hair is fresh out the wash, fresh out the shower. So I'm just using my Jamaican castor black oil shea moisture leave-in conditioner that is in the description box. I really need another dimming brush or whatever it's called. I don't know what it's called, but if y'all know, then y'all know. But I am using I'm using as a detangling comb, just to shape my hair into this, the sleekness that I want for my bun. And I'm trying to get it as flat as possible, so that's why I'm trying to make sure that I have everything detangled. That way the thickness is manageable, so that way, yeah, I can get it super slick down all day hold. That's what I'm going for. To help me keep everything down, I am just going to put it inside of a hair tie, so that way it's easier in the next steps of this process. To help everything lay down and stay down, I am using my Eco Styler gel, and then I kind of blend it into my hair by combing it into my hair, so that way I can ensure all these strands of hair have some gel so that they can stay in place. Now I'm just gonna spray my brush with some water, just because it is a hard bristle brush and I don't want it to be like too harsh on my hair. So I just kind of wet the bristles, and my hair is also wet, so that way it's easier to just glide onto my hair because the brush is not dry. Down, I do take my hair out of the ponytail just so I can brush those beady beads in the back up and make sure the kitchen is looking spotless. But after I do that, then I just add some more gel onto my hair, because I don't like to break my hair up into the two sections to get the low bun. So I just have to do a lot of extra steps with gel, combs, brushes, all that good stuff. Now that I have everything slicked down to my liking, I do go ahead and put my hair back into the low bun. And then when I tuck my hair, I either tuck it down or I tuck it above. It's really hard to explain, but yeah, just tuck the ends of the hair either below or above the actual like knot of the bun. Just keep the ends out the way. That's all I'm trying to say. Everything is where it needs to be, is to my liking. So then I take my soft bristle brush and then I just kind of like brush everything down, just so that I can ensure it's gonna lay down all day. This is also the brush that I use for my edges and my baby hairs as well. So I just kind of like brush them into the way that they need to be as well. Now I'm just palming more gel into my hair because it's wet, and I can just never have too much gel when it's wet because I don't know how it's going to react when it's dry. So I'd rather use more than enough gel than to not have enough gel. And I was gonna add some extension to my bun just to make it fuller, but then I just kind of did not like the way it looked. Like I said, I like me and my natural glory, so I ended up taking it off. But just in case you see a little peek of it in this video, I'm just letting you know what's going on. Alright, so now moving on to the edges, because like I said, my hair is in place, so I just need to tame the edges of my head. I did swoop and dupe them the way I like to, just, you know, to give it some little flavor, and that's basically it. I'm all done with my hair. I did put on a little face, and that's really it for the rest of this look. If you made it to the end of this video, just know that you're a real one. Just know that I greatly appreciate you. Stay tuned in by subscribing. Leave me some love in the comments. Share this video to your socials, and I'll holler at y'all later. Oh, and I did go ahead and take the excess hair off because I'm trying to fall in love with me naturally all over again. So I was like, forget trying to add on some hair for the rest of the world, baby. The hair is growing back. It's growing beautifully because I cut it off at the beginning of 2020. Yeah, when the pandemic first started, March, and it's February 1st today. So happy Black History Month, happy Love Month, Black History, Black Excellence right here in your face. If you're Black, you are that as well, because that's just what we are, baby. So yeah, yeah, it's me, natural, loving me. I try to do a little light makeup look. I really just wanted some lashes, a little, it's all in the eyes for me. Yeah, keep it with the brows and the right here. That's me right there. Like, I could marry a Muslim man like him. I think it's Muslims. It can't be Muslims. Not really sure. I ain't cultured enough. See, that's ridiculous. But yeah, the eyes, baby, that's me all day. But yeah, this is me naturally, and yeah, got my little bun going. I'm so happy my hair can even fit back into a low bun right now. So that's just what's up with the what's up. And I'll probably do like a year update on my hair come March. So I really think that was April that I cut my hair, because I think the pandemic started, yeah, March. And then April is when we got the stay-at-home order. So I was like, ooh, we home. But yeah, I'll do a little update coming soon. So I'm out.